已经 OK
开始
了。
啦。
嗯。
Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to Colorido channel. And today I would like to show you how this digital printing industry is. So once you talk about the seamless industry, once you talk about the seamless digital printing, what do you think about? Yes, it is a kind of seamless. It is 360 degrees seamless around digital printing. So let me show you how it looks like. Here on the printing sock. So sock is one of the tubular items, and this is the typical item for the digital seamless printing. You can see here the joining line, it is seamless. So it can be, you can see here, the whole round, you can see there's no seam at all, right? So it means that once you give me the picture and with the cotton material can be printed, and the nylon material also can. You can see that what the difference is. Come and see. And this is the cotton material. So you can see that actually the printing image quality of the line is sharp, right? Yeah, it is very sharp. So it is clear. And also you can print this painting. And you can see the color details at the cheeks of this, the baby, the angel. Yes, it is very natural, right? And also the color in details, we can see it clearly from the printing outlook. So cotton, actually the cotton fiber is one of the great material to be printed by this kind of seamless printing. And the color is bright, and the quality is in details, and the lines is in sharp. And also you can print on the polyester. Here is the upgraded polyester yarn actually. So this is called thick nylon. We call it thick nylon. It is because it is involved with cotton inside. But the outside of this yarn is solid polyester. So we're still using the polyester printing solution. And the hand feel is a little bit soft. And also you can see here the outline of this design is sharp and clear. And the color also is bright. And the resolution of this artwork is very high. The high resolution. You can see the snowflake here in details. It's just like the jacquard one. But compared with the jacquard, it is competitive that we can have no limitation for the colors. You can have plenty of the colors in any design you want. Like this Christmas theme, and you have the gifts here, so many color involved. So this is the advantages for the seamless digital printing industry. And also you can see that inside of the yarn is neat and clean. We just use the white color of the sock to print on the surface. Then inside there is no loose thread anymore. So when you wear it, you can feel so comfortable with it. And this is the sporty item. You can see that the cushion part at the bottom of the feet. So normally that the sporty items used for the polyester yarn, because the polyester yarn is light and also breathable. And with the designs here, with a little bit the tiny meshes here, you can see that it is breathable. So once you wear it to do the sports, it can support your muscles. And meanwhile, it is the personalization. It just shows your character. And you are the unique one. Okay. And from this kind of our presentation, you can see that some of the sock, it has the colored toe and heel part, right? It is blue color, and here is the yellow one, and this is the red one. But some of the sock, you can see it is with the normal black color of the toe. So why it has this kind of situation? You see here, the black toe and heel. So for the common printing sock, it has black color at these two parts. But our technology now is allowed you to have colorful toe and heel. So whatever the color you want on your sock, you can just knit it with the color part. And then with the different printing solution, we can solve this problem during printing. So we have two ways actually. One way is using the different yarn. And here you can knit the sock with the feet body with the cotton yarn, but the heel and toe part, you just knit it in the polyester. So after finishing the washing process, and we have kind of the solution to get rid of the color which stained on the heel and toe part during printing, but just leave the colors here at the main body of the feet. So this is one solution for you to have this kind of colored toe and heel. And the other solution is, for example, if I have this kind of sock and it's the whole body is the polyester. So what should I do? Don't worry. We can get you fixed with the colored toe by using the camera. So you can see here, the camera just recognize the colored heel and toe part automatically. And during printing, it just won't print at this area. So how can it be and how is it work? Later we will show you. So here, with the digital printing, you can print a variety of the application. This is the sleeve cover, and the material is in nylon. So with our printer, you can print for the sleeve cover, you can print the socks, and also you can print like this, the yoga suit of these shorts, and also the beanies. The beanies could be wool, could be nylon, could be polyester, but so far it cannot be acrylic. That is the kind of character of the yarn and cannot absorb the color. And for the, except the sock and the beanies and the sleeve cover, we also can print like the seamless yoga suit. So any knitted tubular items, our printer can print on it. It's simple, just we change the different diameter of the roller. With the big roller, we print for this yoga suit. With the small diameter of the roller, we print for sock. So someone will ask, yeah, how can this be? You said it's seamless, but how do you print for this sleeve? But here it has the seams, right? Okay, yes, it has seams, but this is the cotton and sewn. The cut and sew part. But during printing, it is seamless. So with this top, we print first with this body part. So we use one tube and put it on the roller and printing for the body. And we use another tube for the sleeve and we print it again. So after printing is finished, then you just cut in the middle and sew as these two sleeves. Then that's it. And for the legging, it is just simple. Just one tube is enough. And after printing for the whole tube of this legging, you just cut it in the middle. Then you will have two legs. Then the legging is done. So you can see how the quality of the printing for this yoga suit. 给个特写吧。Okay. You can see the out shape and the high resolution of the printing. And the color is pure, right? And also the ground color is vibrant. And the legging, each part of this color is purely, and also the joining, the grading of the color is perfect. You see? So sometimes maybe they will see, this kind of color is involved too much, and during the knitting it is not workable. It just knitted. Otherwise, the inside will have lots of the loose threads. But printing will solve this problem. And also no color stain, you see? It's just neat and clean. And the bras, the same. So during knitting, you can knit any designs, any construction you want. And after printing, you just make this design with the cut and sew. That's it. Okay, and later I will show you how this product is made. It's made by Colorido seamless digital printer. So let's see how the printing machine is working. Follow me. And this is the area of our office. And we're going downstairs. And here is one corner of our workshop. So this is the most popular machine so far we are selling. So it is the hot seal one with the 4 rollers. And now it is under printing. You can see that sock is loaded up with the colored part of the heel and toe. So that is what I said just now. During printing, it can just recognize the part of the color, and the printing will just escape for the part of this color. Now I can touch here. It is dried and no printing at all. You see my finger? It's nothing left here. So during printing, this part is not printed on it. So no ink stained on this part. It's same as the toe part here. Here I also can touch it. No problem. It's dry, nothing, right? So how does this work? It is because we use the camera first. That camera can capture the colored hue and toe part automatically. And once this scanned with this shape, and it will be input to the printing software and to print. And during printing, it will just escape the part of the colored one. Now the second one is done. You can use the manual to turn the roller on. Now see here, this part, it is printed with the ink, so it's stained here, but this shape of this hue part, it's nothing left over. And this device, actually, it can help you to assist you during the production. Once you think, oh, the production is running too fast, I have to do some adjustment, then you just use it to pause the roller turning. But in normal circumstances, that it can just continuously printing without any break. So this is why that this machine has the high efficiency for production. It can produce like 55 to 86 maximum pairs of sock in 1 hour. And here is the sample we are making. And with this one, you can see Christmas coming. So if you want to give your family a surprise with some small gift, then this is the good choice. You can think about it and have a try. And here, I will show you a magic show. Here, yes, here are the workshop for laying so many machines here. Okay, so actually we produce the printer ourselves. And in the recent 10 years, actually we already produced for more than 4 generations of the printer. So in this workshop, we are laying all kinds of the printers here. From the first generation, of course it's not like my grandpa's age, but it's already 10 years old. Okay, so this one is the first generation of our printer. And that kind of printing mode is the flat scanning. But later, we have the second generation of the printer, and we upgraded the printing mode from flat scanning to the rotate printing mode. You can see that these rollers needs to be set it up to the printer and load off later after printing. And with several rollers here to replace later to improve the efficiency for the production. So during printing the sock on that roller, you can upload the sock on these 2 rollers if you're quick enough. Okay, let's see how she is working here with this second generation of the printer. So the sock is uploaded and use the laser to get the proper position which you want the logo to be printed on. Okay, so during printing, she is loading up another roller. And here it is printing, under printing. Okay, and this printing, still it has no camera device, so it will all over printed. And this second generation of the printer can print one pair per time instead of one piece per pair, one piece per time. And this printing period is like 48 or 50 seconds. So after printing, just hold it there and replace with another roller. And here you need to be sure that the position of the placement of the sock will be correct. Waiting for heating up. And heating up is the second process for the polyester sock. So all the polyester sock needs to be printed first and later needs to be heating it up. By what? By this kind of the oven. The conveyors turns automatically. So we just hang the sock with the printed one here and goes to the oven. And after it's coming out, you will get the cured sock. And this period, it needs around 3 to 4 minutes. It depends on different kind of thickness of the sock. So if you have this kind of a thinner one, the thinner material, you can just set around 2.5 minutes for cure. But if you have this kind of a little bit thicker and with the cushion part at the bottom of the feet, then you might need around 4 minutes. Okay, then let's see the third generation of the sock printer. This is the third generation with the one roller, just single roller, and no placement for this roller anymore. But this roller, the length is over than 1 meter. So if you have longer sock, the over knee sock, you can use this one to print. So this one only can print one piece per time. This one is suitable for the longer socks and also for the samples most of the time, because the efficiency for the production is a bit lower compared with the second generation of the printer. And here you see again the fourth generation of the printer. It is with 4 rollers. But this one we don't have the camera device. So we only have the normal laser positioning device to make sure each sock will be uploaded in the proper position for the printing. And this is the continuous printing job. You can see that now that position is for printing only. And the operator doesn't need to do anything during printing time. He just or she just needs to do is upload the sock at this roller and waiting for the machine to print. And once this one is after printing, it will go automatically turn to the operator, and then she can load off this sock, and during this time that roller printed again. So with this upgraded generation of the printer, you don't need to offload the roller anymore. You just standing here and offload the sock. That's enough. And the center motor engine drives the rollers, like it to turn. Yeah, so with this kind of printing mode, its efficiency of the production improved a lot. So by this kind of setting, you can get at least 55 pairs to 86 pairs per hour. Then how many hours you work every day? 8. Then you can get daily output, right? Okay, and here are the packing area. So every order of this production is laying here waiting for the packing. Okay, so that is the kind of brief generation printers laying here, and that is a kind of a brief summary of the introduction for our workshop. Thank you for watching, and thank you to subscribe our YouTube channel. See you next time.
然后呢，我是不是要在16